Hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Quick one on uTrading. I'll be taking you through how to fund your uTrading wallet. You only need to go to your uTrading app, and from your uTrading app, let's get this from the beginning. I might not be funding because this account is not my normal account. It's just a test account that I created in order to use to explain more on uTrading. Now, what you have to do is to come to the uTrading app. The home page here we have gas, uh, gas, gas. But that is not where we are coming right now. Where we'll be coming right now is, I think it's more because we want to deposit. So let me click on more and see if deposit is there. Okay, deposit is not there. So that is not where we are going. We'll be going to the asset. Asset is somewhere down around here. Okay, asset is somewhere around there. So we get to asset, and on the assets, we have the deposit. Okay, let me make use of this. Okay, we have the deposit, we have the withdrawal, and we have the gas, gas. Now, to deposit, you first of all need to deposit before you can now fund your gas. So we click on deposit here. So this is the deposit. You try and get the wallet address of where you're depositing, to. I want you to know this. You are depositing USDT. That's the only thing you deposit, and you are either depositing Polygon, or there is another network here, um, Arbitrum, Arbitrum One. So those are the two network uTrade support. So personally, I used to use Polygon because it's more popular than the other one, but that doesn't make any difference. The two works perfectly well. So this is Polygon here. So the next thing you'll be doing is to copy the wallet address. Just click copy address. So when you click copy address, you have the full address. If you try and copy directly, you might not get it right. So the best thing is to click copy address so that you get it right. So you go to your Binance or whichever exchanger, OKX, or whichever exchanger your money is, and send the send the money to this wallet address. When you send it to this wallet address, in less than 5 minutes, I don't want to make it look like it's automated, but it's automated. But I don't want you to worry in case you didn't see it within a minute. So I'll say in 5 minutes, you would see the reflection of that money here. So it will be here, and I'll be doing the next video on how to fund. But how much are we expected to send? Okay, these are the amounts that you're expected to send apart from the gas fee that your wallet address or your exchanger charges. We're expecting 1,005. Sorry, 100. Oh, sorry. I love money. $15. That means 15 USDT to get 1,500 UGAS. Then when you send 45 USDT, you get 4,500 UGAS. And note, when you now send $90, you get 10% interest. So, in case you just want to get the interest and take advantage of that, especially when you're trading huge, if you're trading 500, 300, depending on what you're trading. Now, another thing is if you can send $480, you will get 60,000 UGAS. That is 20%. And if you send 1,400, you also get 200,000 UGAs, and that is 30%. So there are only two advantages of sending huge UGAs. Note this is gas fee. This I'll tell you about that. So there are two advantages. The number one advantage is anything from $90, you get 10%. That means instead of you, for example, if you send $45 twice, instead of you to get 9,000 coins, you get 10,000 coins. So there's discount of 10%, additional 10%. So this at least makes your business moves more. It makes you reduce the costs of you trying to trade more. So that's the only advantage. So preferably you might just start with $90. That gives you, at least that is not much. Putting gas fee of $480. I don't know. It depends on what you're trading with. If you're trading, maybe $10,000 or thereabouts, that might be cool. But I feel instead of you doing that, I'm sorry, I should be encouraging you to do huge so that gas fee flows in the team. The team members get their percentage. But let's be reasonable here, unless you're dealing with maybe $5,000 trading accounts or $10,000 trading accounts. I believe you can just do $90 to benefit from the stuff, and the remaining can be added to your trading capital. So when it finishes, you reload. It keeps going like that. At least that's $390 would have generated something to trade while you're trading, instead of you just pumping everything there. This is what networkers will not tell you. Okay, and I'm wondering if I'm a networker right now. So that's number one. Then the number two advantage is there is always a promo. Right now, as I'm talking, there's a promo for those who subscribe more. The networking aspect of it is cool. When you bring in people, you earn some amount of money, depending on your level. Okay, depending on your level, you earn some amount of money from people who are coming in that you introduce into the business, depending on your level. So, for example, I think the first level you'll be earning maybe 20% of what they are bringing in, the second 30%, the third 40%, and so on. I don't know it offhand, but that's it. Now, if you bring in some certain amount, which we'll be discussing in the referral side, in the team building side, which is not compulsory, because I know most of us just don't want to. You feel it brings you down, when you refer people, especially when those people say no. Well, as I was saying, the more money you put in, instead of you, for example, if you want to get to the first level, apart from registration, the next after registration, you need 3 people who had registered and who had funded the accounts. That's what you need. So, but when you do some setting and you start getting $20 or 20% of whatever they put in on their gas fee. Now, if you put in some certain amount, which I don't know offhand, you'll be automatically given that rank. So instead of you bringing 3 people, you get that rank by just doing some subscription. That is, I am sure it is not going to be $15. It probably not to be $45. I don't know. It might be $90 that will take you there. Then if you do some other ones, it takes you to the next level and so on. So that's just it. Thank you very much. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Thank you.